Let us now start with the first point, transformation of energy from lesson work and energy. Students, you can see one picture on the textbook page number 80. What do you observe in this picture? When the sun rays fall on the water, water gets evaporated and gets formed into the cloud. Once the clouds are heavy, it's time for the rain to fall now. When the rain falls, the water gets located into the dam. When the dam overflows, it gets converted into electrical energy. Electricity is passed from the towers to our houses. Once the electricity is present in our house, with the help of various switches, we can make use of it for the purpose of bulbs, cookers, water heater, TVs, computers, and so on. This is a kind of energy transformation. One kind of energy is transformed to other kind of energy. In the course of water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of sun. These water vapors form clouds that give rain. Rainwater flows into rivers and is stored in the reservoirs on dams. These are at a height and therefore their water has potential energy, which is transformed into kinetic energy as the water falls downwards. When the water falls on the blades of turbine, its kinetic energy is transferred to the turbine. The turbine rotates, producing electrical energy. This electricity gets transformed into various other forms of energy. Electrical energy is used in our houses for various purposes. It is transformed into light energy on lighting a bulb, into kinetic energy on starting a fan, into sound energy while playing a music system, and into heat energy in an oven. Thus, we see that we are indirectly utilizing nothing but solar energy in all these transformations of energy. In other words, the sun is the most important source of all energy. Dear students, with the help of sunlight and heat given out through sun, we get different energies. Indirectly, we use sunlight as the greater source of energy. With the help of only sun, we get all kinds of energy, whether it may be sound energy, whether it may be heat energy, or whether it may be potential or kinetic energy. By observation of all these pictures, we come to know that one kind of energy is converted into some other kind of energy. So this is the transformation of energy. Energy is transformed from one place to another. Let's now study the next point, energy resources. First point is conventional energy resources, or it is also called as non-renewable energy resources. The word non-renewable itself states that the energy resources which cannot be renewed again and again. What means renewed? You do not get once again the same kind of energy when it is over. It is petrol, diesel, and natural gas. Fossil fuels are also non-renewable energy resources. These are the resources which we do not get again and again after fixed period of time. Once it is over, you cannot obtain it again. So that is why they are called as non-renewable energy resources. The energy resources which man has been using for centuries are called conventional energy resources. We use petrol, diesel, natural gas, wood, and fossil fuels for ages. Once it is over, we will not obtain it again. Non-conventional energy resources, also called as renewable energy resources. One of the great renewable energy resource is sunlight. Also, tidal energy is one of the great energy resource. Sunlight is obtained again and again. We can make use of sunlight, we can make use of wind energy, we can make use of tidal energy for different purposes. Sun, wind, tidal energy, these all are energy resources which will not get stopped. We can use it again and again. Thus, They are called as renewable energy resources. Renew means which can be obtained again and again. Let's study the first point, solar energy. Solar energy is a kind of energy which we get from sun. When sunlight falls on the solar panel, with the help of it, we get hot water. Also, there are different kinds of solar appliances like mixers, cookers, fans, etc. Let's now study about wind energy. Wind energy is a form of energy which is obtained from wind. Windmills are the great source of it. Tidal energy. A wall is constructed at a narrow region of a creek. Due to waves generated by high and low tides, the turbine of the generator fitted in the wall starts rotating and electricity is generated. So tidal energy is one of the kind energy which is obtained with the help of tides. Tidal energy is produced to the narrow region of a creek, to the coastal area or the sea area. Hydroelectric or hydel power. This energy is obtained from different dams. Koina project in Maharashtra is a well-known hydel project. There are also other smaller hydroelectric plants located at other dam sites. Energy obtained from oceanic waves. While sea waves move forward in a certain direction, the water moves up and down regularly at a position. These two can be used to generate electricity. So, oceanic waves energy is different than the tidal energy. Tidal energy is towards the coastal area, whereas oceanic energy is deep into the sea. Atomic energy. The serious crisis of electricity shortage can be eased by generating electricity by means of atomic energy. The heat liberated during the fission of atoms of heavy elements such as uranium, thorium is used to generate electricity. There are atoms present in all the elements. Uranium and thorium are the two elements which can release immense amount of heat during fission. So this also can generate electricity. Thank you.